Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Friday the 10th of January and we've been up to Kingswood today. So I think we can spot the first thing I've bought. Another Barbie vehicle, obviously Volkswagen Beetle. That cost me £1.49, which I thought was good enough. Oh, it's missing a few bits and pieces. The wing mirrors are missing. I assume there's supposed to be something there. Yeah, some sort of sunroof that's missing. But we got two seats in there. Don't know if they fold forwards. Got opening doors. It's rather nice. A little bit dirty inside. Got steering wheel, cup holders. It's not motorised, it's just one of those where you push along. Looks like we could actually get the outer body shell off quite easily if we wanted to. Obviously what I'm thinking about is, oh that's nice as well. I'm obviously thinking about some sort of radio control conversion. Maybe just use the body shell, or maybe be a bit more adventurous, cut some holes in it so we can actually put some wheels on it, proper wheels, not these things, and some steering. Don't know, something to think about, but at £1.49 I wasn't going to leave it, because usually these are quite a lot more expensive. So that's going to go up into my workroom with all the other projects. I think that's quite nice that you've got opening doors and boot, or well yeah, boot, but also that's where the engine is on a Volkswagen, isn't it? Unless they've changed it on the new ones. Well, maybe they have, I don't know. I'm not a Volkswagen expert. Right, anyway, put that to one side. What else have we got in the bag? Ah, right. These things I'll talk about in a completely separate video. They're security wafers. Normally have a pin through the middle that's attached to your clothes. Well, we've got a shop that's been closed down for several years, and obviously somebody's been inside rummaging around to see if there's anything worth having. And there was a great big box full of these dumped outside the shop, which somebody has then been and kicked around everywhere. So I just picked up a couple that hadn't already been driven over and broken, and we will do a little disassembly. Just take them apart to have a look what's inside. As far as I know, there's a coil of wire, and I don't know if there's any electronics at all. There must be a resistor or something. But it looks like they'll come apart with a bit of effort. So that's not charity shop, that's just something else, another project. Okay. £1.49. That looks to me like two Lego type, I don't know if they're actually Lego, aeroplanes. I was looking very carefully in the bag and I can only see one propeller. But that'll be something I can do, one of my clip together kits. Just see if we can, well, see what we can make out of it. There's no instructions obviously, so it'll just be a matter of see what we can figure out. Say £1.49 that was. Next Well, you won't be particularly interested, but I did buy a pair of trousers. £3.99 in my size, so I'll try them out later on. And then finally, oh no, there should be one other thing. Where's the one other thing? Oh, there it is. Another one of those random things, 49p. It's got little white balls in it, which, if you turn it the right way, they all collect around there. This is obviously a two-person game, and you push that forwards, it jumps up, and if you get it right, it drags one of the balls down into your collection place. So I guess the idea is to try and collect as many balls as you can, and then the other person does the same thing on the other side. If I do that slowly, I don't know if you can see, there's a hole right underneath, so you go forwards, that lifts up, goes over the top of one of the balls and drags it down into the hole. Or at least that's the general idea, and then you count up how many you've won in the bottom there. Yeah, has it got a name on it? Company name? Yes. Made for McDonald's. Ah, there you go. Made for McDonald's, made in Vietnam. 2018. Copyright 2017. But made for McDonald's in 2018. Right, so that's that one. Cost me 49p. That was St. Peter's Hospice. Right, we're nearly there. Last two items. Two more wooden kits, which I like to have. Yeah, I like these wooden kits. The bigger ones like this I like to take on holiday for something to do when I'm on holiday in the evening. Both £1. I actually have one of these already, but sorry, I said £1, didn't I? £2, both £2. I like to pay £1, but I still thought £2 was a bargain for these because they're absolutely pristine condition. Still the original seal on them, wrapping. And these are quite expensive, brand new. I thought this one looked rather nice. Looks like you need some cotton to do the rigging. But yeah, I thought £2, yeah, we'll go for it. So, because those lights are now shining on them, let's shine the light somewhere else. Yeah, no idea when I'll do them. As I say, they'll probably be the sort of thing I take on holiday and do on one of our quiet evenings when it's just me and my wife, not when we have the grandchildren with us. That's it. That's about 9 minutes. Just a thought on the body shell swap. That Hummer has got about the same wheel dimensions, a little bit close together, aren't they? Of course there's that one. I suspect that shell would fit on those wheels quite easily. Anyway, that's just some ideas about what I might do with it eventually. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.